Welcome to the Spy Collection. My name is Anastasios, and here we'll review another of the allegedly leaked US intelligence community documents of 2023. This one. Apparently we cannot assess its authenticity, and specifically for this case, we'll also follow a different approach. Recently we presented the Russia-Ukraine Joint Staff J3, J4, J5 Daily Update D+370, where we covered all of its sections. This is the exact same template, but for the day before that, February 28th, 2023. So instead of repeating the same content, here we'll do a delta analysis. See what changed in the period of February 28th to March 1st, 2023 in those intelligence daily updates for the US military leadership. In terms of the special operation forces operating inside Ukraine, we have the exact same numbers: 14 from the United States, 50 from Great Britain, 15 from France, 17 from Latvia, and 1 from the Netherlands. Same for the US DoD and Department of State personnel, which didn't change. Starting from the left, we have a change in the US composition and disposition category that between March 1st, 2023 and this document, which is about February 28th, 2023, we have a change of US forces. Specifically, in the first section, US military in the European Command, from 91,896, the next day there were 92,039, which is 142 additional personnel. Similarly, in a single day, we moved from the 13 surface ships to 17. The submarines and the rest remain the same. Equally interesting is the amount and types of spy planes that were flying missions in those 2 days. The total flights were the same, but it appears that they decided to use a combination of spy planes and drones to achieve that. From MQ-9 Reapers, U-2 Dragon Ladies, RC-135 Rivet Joints, CL-650 Artemis, and even a J-Stars. Quite different from the next day, March 1st, that was primarily Rivet Joints with only a few MQ-9 Reapers and a single RQ-4 Global Hawk. The last section that is worth noting is the weapons delivered to Ukraine in the last 24 hours, but again, no huge difference. We see, however, that US was delivering a lot of M1224 Max Pro MRAPs, more precisely 18 on February 28, 2023, followed by another 5 the next day, as well as 12 Humvees, followed by another 4. And of course, the Phoenix Ghost small aerial loitering munition, commonly referred to as suicide or kamikaze drone, where we got to learn that the US was shipping those to Ukraine through the Ramstein air base in Germany. Note that there are no open source photographs of the Phoenix Ghost. However, some experts suggest that it's potentially the one you see in these photos from May 2022 in Ukraine, developed by Avex Aerospace. This company produces other loitering munitions too, so at the time of this video, we cannot confidently state that this is exactly how Phoenix Ghost looks like. And that concludes our today's episode. Shorter, since we have already covered most of the topics of this template, but still providing some insights into the spying and secret operations that take place in a complex conflict such as the Russia-Ukraine one. Another practical demonstration that in modern warfare, nothing is as it seems.